This is Addison Circle Park. Here in Addison, there's a lot of fun things to do. My name is Zachary and I'm with the Thrust Institute of Maintenance. And this video is in collaboration with the City of Addison. Nicholas and I went around the area finding cool places to eat and fun things to do. We did this because we know there's a lot of people spending a lot of time in Addison, just like our students at the Thrust Institute of Maintenance. So come along with us and check out some of these cool places. Okay, first stop, Astoria. Bushi Bushi was so good. First of all, the food was amazing, but I want to highlight how great they treated us. The customer service was kind of out of this world, in my opinion. They really I don't know, they were just so nice and welcoming. So shout out to Bushi Bushi. Go check it out. We thought we'd stop by Addison Improv right around the corner. They're not open. But if you're in Addison, then you know about the Addison Improv. A lot of big names come through here. Great stand-up comedians. It's a good time every time. Okay, so right now we're at the Puttshack. We're still in Addison. We're right across the street from where we just came from Addison Walk. But now we're on, what is it called? The Village on the Parkway. That's where we're at. There's so much stuff over here. But we wanted to check this place out. It's called the Puttshack.